Get ready to dive into a sea of wonder and sail through a river of amazement as we embark on a splashing adventure through the world of water vehicles that are so incredible they'll have Poseidon himself doing a double take. From submarines that make fish jealous of their sleek design to jet-powered paddle boats that give dolphins a run for their money in the speed department, we're about to make waves with these mind-blowing aquatic marvels. So grab your snorkel and strap on your water wings because this video is about to take you on a wet and wild ride you won't soon forget. Number 1. Vanqraft VQ16. Measuring 16 feet long with room for a driver and 5 passengers, it's not a jet ski. Vanquish Yacht's Vanqraft VQ16 isn't exactly a boat either. It has jet ski-like controls and a 1.8-liter, 200 GP Yamaha engine with jet propulsion, good for a top speed of 40 knots in the standard model or 50 in the supercharged Veloce version. Constructed from fiberglass, its hull is the result of a collaborative effort between Guido de Groot Design and Studio Delta, with 2 seats up front, padded benches at the rear, and a helm seat in the center. The VQ16 sports line can be tailored to a broad range of your desires. For instance, you can adapt the interior to various requirements and change the color to match that of the mothership when used as a tender. Each VQ16 is entirely handmade with great precision. The result is always very special and reflects your style. Number 2. Seabreacher X. The Seabreacher X is one of the most advanced submersible watercraft. This exciting version is similar in size to the Y model, but with higher performance and a more aggressive shark-style body. The X model also steps up the performance envelope with an optional 300 HP supercharged engine upgrade. The new patented fully vectored thrust system mimics the tail articulation of real aquatic animals like sharks and dolphins. The X model's smaller control surfaces make it a more agile and responsive vessel, allowing it to jump 90 degrees out of the water. The X model is purpose-built for pilots who want to get the most out of their Seabreacher watercraft. Even though Seabreacher X has shark-style body, the paint scheme doesn't necessarily need to reflect a real shark. The possibilities are endless. Number 3. RaceBird. The RaceBird has been specially designed for close and competitive racing. The speed window which RaceBird operates is optimized for hydrofoiling and to maximize energy efficiency. With the benefit of instant torque and acceleration, the RaceBird lifts onto its foils to reduce drag and decrease the wake it creates in the water. Each pilot will use an identical electric RaceBird boat during the first 2 seasons of the championship, with the regulations then opening up in future years, allowing teams and manufacturers to design and develop their own electric technologies. The first generation of race boats will each be based on the same set of technical specifications, which will allow the E1 pilots to showcase their speed and natural talent. The RaceBird is a compact yet ferociously fast watercraft, measuring 7.5 meters in length and 3.4 meters in width, with a sleek design that cuts through the waves. Its innovative hydrofoil technology keeps it gliding gracefully above the water, with a draft of 900 mph. Powered by a peak 150 kilowatts engine and fueled by a 35 kWh battery, the RaceBird achieves an exhilarating top speed of 50 knots, setting the stage for an electrifying aquatic experience. Number 4. Hydrofoiler XE-1. Introducing the 2021 Hydrofoiler XE-1, the world's first hydrofoiler e-bike that replicates the cycling experience on the water. Train, explore, or race in salt and fresh water. No roads, no traffic. Based out of New Zealand, Manta 5 uses the same foiling technology as America's Cup sailboats. The XE-1 is suitable for a wide range of fitness levels. Cycle along ocean coastlines, train along waterways, or cruise lakeside with friends and family. Want to feel like you're gliding on air above the water? The Hydrofoiler XE-1 is here to make your dreams come true. Its hydrofoiler technology lifts the vessel out of the water, giving you a smooth, almost magical ride. Number 5. Jet Cycle Max, the Jet Cycle. Max is a single-seat, foil-powered, 100% human-powered boat At first glance, the Jet Cycle Max may look like a flying pedal boat or a pedal canoe, but it's a true concentrate of innovations that promises a unique riding experience that you won't find anywhere else. The Jet Cycle Max has a 3.40-meter long and 0.80-meter wide hull, made of composite materials by infusion, which allows to combine rigidity and lightness. Its design guarantees your safety, with or without pedaling power, but also good performance and very good comfort. The boat is equipped with 2 foils, one in the front and one in the back. These real carbon marine wings give the Jet Cycle Max an easy lift even at low speed to allow you to take off and fly on the water. The height of the Jet Cycle Max, including foils, is 1.20 meters. Navigating the bike is simple. The Jet Cycle Max has a very simple and quick adjustment pedal system, with no need to change gears or chain rings, and can be adapted to the size of each user. The pedals are specially designed to allow for optimal transfer of muscle power to the propeller, located at the rear of the boat. The power required for flight and takeoff depends on the weight of the user. For example, a 60 kilograms person will need 230 watts to take off, while an 85 kilograms person would need 300 watts to get out of the water. Number 6. Wallypower 118. The Wallypower 118 is a luxury yacht that gained widespread attention after it was featured in the 2005 science fiction thriller movie, The Island. The yacht was designed and built by the Italian yacht manufacturer Wally Yachts and was launched in 2006. It is an ultra-modern and luxurious vessel that is designed to combine speed, style, and comfort. It measures 118 feet in length, thus the name, with a beam of 26 feet and a draft of 5 feet. It can accommodate up to 10 guests in 5 staterooms, and it has a crew of 6. The yacht is powered by 3 gas turbines that generate a total of 16,800 horsepower, allowing it to reach a top speed of 60 knots, or about 70 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest yachts on the open seas. Number 7. A2V Shuttle. The A2V Shuttle redefines water-based transportation with its futuristic design and advanced features. This innovative vessel offers a seamless blend of luxury and efficiency, providing a comfortable ride for passengers. Called the EV-1, this new craft can carry up to 12 passengers in comfort at a cruising speed of 50 knots. The A2V concept is a wing-like cross-deck that spans the 2 slim-stepped hulls of the catamaran. It is the lift generated by the wing structure that lifts the catamaran hulls in the water, significantly reducing the frictional resistance and allowing high speeds and good fuel economy with modest power. The passenger compartment is contained within the wind structure, with passengers offered an excellent view through panoramic front windows. The whole 12-meter-long structure is constructed from composites, much of it sandwich construction, with a beam of 7.35 meters. The craft runs on a draft of just 0.65 meters, and the loaded displacement is 7.5 tons when carrying the 12 passengers. Number 8. Roboat III. We are seeing how technology companies are taking more and more steps towards autonomous cars in cities. But what happens when these cities are full of canals? Well, in that case, the idea of an autonomous boat that can navigate on its own also fits in. This is what the Roboat project is doing. This small boat that you can see in the video is 4 meters long and is capable of carrying 5 people, or even 1,500 kilograms of cargo. It is being tested in Amsterdam, a city where there are so many canals that the Roboat III can be a perfect cab boat for its neighbors, or a small boat for courier deliveries. Other functions also include waste collection or the formation of a bridge on demand by combining several units. For each use, there is a special deck, and in all cases, LiDAR sensors and GPS are used to navigate the waterways without problems. Its electric motor gives an autonomy of 10 hours. Number 9. Galaxy of Happiness. Galaxy of Happiness is a motor yacht with an overall length of 53.32 m. The yacht's builder is Latitude Yachts from Latvia, who launched Galaxy of Happiness in 2016. The super yacht has a beam of 17.44 meters, a draft of 1.46 meters, and a volume of 299 GT. In the world rankings for largest yachts, the super yacht, Galaxy of Happiness, is listed at number 779. It is the 2nd largest yacht built by Latitude Yachts. It features exterior design by Cost Design. Up to 6 guests can be accommodated on board. Number 10. Sea Magine Aurora. The Aurora series features an ultra-large acrylic cabin that can be configured either for spacious seating or for extra deep diving. These subs, as with all Sea Magine submersibles, offer powerful propulsion, have a great boarding arrangement, robust construction, unmatched reliability, and can be equipped with a wide array of cameras, robotic arms, and scientific tools. The Aurora 100 series are submersibles that feature an ultra-large spherical window with a rear metal hull section that together form these subs' spacious cabin interiors that can hold 3 to 7 people depending on the selected depth rating. The Aurora 100 submarines offer an optimal launch weight of under 11 tons for diving depths, ranging from 100 meters to 1,000 meters, but are heavier for deeper depths beyond that up to 2,300 meters. In a world where innovation knows no bounds, these remarkable water vehicles serve as a testament to human ingenuity, inviting us to embrace the thrill of aquatic exploration and inspiring us to continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the mesmerizing canvas of our planet's waters.